Hey, it's Annie. Today I am filming on a Saturday and I'm home by myself because my daughter and husband went out to see Star Wars finally. I'm not a Star Wars fan, no hate against me. I thought it would be fun to see what this looks like inside. I wish I would have done this with my drunk elephant C-firma, and I may do that when that empties out. Why didn't I think of this? But I am dying to know what it looks like inside of this. So this is from Sunday Riley, or not Sunday Riley, what am I saying? Cut. So this is from Drunk Elephant. This is the B-Hydra Intensive Hydrating Gel. I really love this moisturizer. I bought this a while ago, and I was using it consistently, cannot speak. And then I kind of took a break because I found some other products that I wanted to try, and I sort of forgot about this. So anyways, I used it up, and now I want to break it open and see what it looks like, because I'm sure you're dying to know, like, what does it look like in here? So I don't even know how this is going to go. I hope I don't hurt myself. I have no idea how to do that. So let's, oh, well, that was easy. So all I did was twist the top. Oh, that is it. That is all that is in here. Okay, this is going to be like the most boring video ever. Now, I wonder if I could do that with my, C-firma just to see what it looks like. This is, let's keep on taking it apart. Oh my gosh. Like, you know what I thought I was going to have to do, and I'm so glad I didn't do this, is this is what I thought I was going to have to do. Because I had no idea how this works. So this is what it looks like inside. So what I thought I was going to have to do is I thought I was in my head, oh my gosh, Annie, I'm so glad you didn't do this because it would have been so stupid and you would have been like an idiot. I was going to take a hammer, I'm not even kidding you, and smash it. That's what I was going to do because I thought that's what I would have to do. I didn't know it was going to be that easy. That is it. So is that what the vitamin C looks like? I wonder if I should go grab that and just do it even though it's not empty. I hope I don't ruin it because it's really expensive. But that's it. So inside of this container is this tube that goes in there. And then the cap is like this that just unscrews. Oh my gosh. That is, should I go get the C-firma? I'm gonna go get the C-firma. I will be right back. I'm gonna get that and see what the heck. Let's go see. Let's go see what's inside of that. Come on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous to do this. But I would just wanna see something really quick. Because all I did with this one is pop it off. Okay, so we're gonna try this. I hope I don't mess it up. This is my C-firma, and you know how expensive it is. So, I don't think it's gonna, I mean, I should be able to, I'm just gonna try to twist it like I did the other one. I just don't want to break it or I will be upset. Oh, that's all you do, you guys. All I did was push down on it and twisted it. Wait, let me do it again. Like that. This is the mystery. Oh my God. I have like nothing, I hardly have anything left in there. Oh my, I'm gonna have to order more of this. Wow, that seemed like that didn't last as long this time. See that? That is what's left in it, and it did turn a dark color. And that's what it looks like inside. So, if you're wondering what it looks like, that's what's left in there. Which doesn't look like much, but you know, this is very helpful. You know why? Because, I mean, you probably shouldn't expose that to the light so much, but I think if I think it's more the air than the light. I'm trying to think, I thought I bought this well, was it last spring that I bought this? Or was it the fall that I bought this? It was before this last sale. I'm sure that it was before this last sale at Sephora. So maybe it was last spring. Did that last this long? So when was that? Was that last March? Would it have March, April, May, June, July, August, September? Would it have lasted that long? I don't remember. I should have put a mark on here to see because it does last a long time, but wow. Okay, so if you were ever curious to know what is inside of this. Now you know, and if you wanted to, well, here you go. I'm going to show you again. So this is how big the actual, if I can open it up again. So that's what it actually looks like. That's how big it is. That's it. Probably freaks you out more when you see that because you know how much this costs. When you look at it like this, it looks like you're getting more, which I knew, you know, there was going to be less, but that was an interesting experiment. And the same with this. This is the B-Hydra. So that's what that looks like in this little tube here. And that. So if I want to put it back on, and you can see I use it all up. I've had this for a while. This one lasted a while. And that one I think did too. I wish I could remember for sure when I bought it. So if I want to put it back on, I wonder if I could reuse this for something else. You know what I mean? Like another product. I wonder if I could clean it and reuse it. So twist it to get it off. You have to kind of twist it and kind of go like that to get it off. And I can remove this and clean it, and maybe I could clean this and I could use it for a serum or something. You know, I think that if I sterilize it with alcohol, I would think I could do that. So I may do that. I might put like another serum in here. Maybe I could even find another vitamin C and reuse this. Or the other one, either one. I'm just saying, you know. I may do that. I may try a different vitamin C and just keep one of these and reuse it. Haha. So there you go. This was a really quick little video, but I just thought it would be interesting. I didn't know it was going to be that easy. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I didn't take a hammer. Can you even imagine if I took a hammer and started pounding that? Like, I would be like, you're an idiot. So I'm glad I thought about that and decided to give it a twist on camera. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Share my video and let me know what you thought about this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you soon. Bye.